friends, let's start with today's recipe. First, I'll take you through the cake in the ingredients required for the cake. So here I have 125 grams of powdered sugar, 125 grams of plain flour or maida, 2 teaspoons of milk, 125 grams of butter at room temperature, 2 eggs that I've just beaten up well, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and some food gel color, whatever your color of your choice. And this is a square tin of 2-inch thickness, which I've just put a kind of a cardboard which I've covered with some butter paper in the center, and then again I've put some butter paper on the top, and I've just brushed it lightly with butter. Now we're going to start making the cake batter. So I'm going to add the sugar to the butter, mix it well, and then I'm also going to add a little of the flour at a time and just fold it in well. So we're just going to add the sugar first to the butter and then the flour. So we're going to mix all of this really well together. Just fold it in. Then we're going to add the milk. And then I'm going to use my whisk and just whisk the batter well. And then I'm going to add a little bit of, I'm going to add the vanilla essence and whisk it till it's nice and smooth. Now we're not going to add any baking powder because we don't want this cake to rise. You will see why as we go through the process of making this cake. So there's no baking powder at all. We're just going to add the eggs now. And again, whisk everything till the batter is nice and smooth. So this has a different consistency altogether, the cake. That's why we first started with the sugar, the flour and the butter, and then added the other ingredients. And now just whisk the batter till it's nice and smooth. So once the batter is ready, we're going to divide it into 2 equal halves like this. And then you're going to add colors of your choice. So I'm going with lovely pastel blue and pastel pink. So this is rose pink color. It has this color on the top. I'm using the gel food color, and the make is Chef Master, because I get a lot of queries as to Akshata, what gel food color do you use? And the other one is a pastel blue or a sky blue, and this comes from another company altogether. I guess it is Bake Master. So you can buy these online or wherever you get your stuff from. And now I'm just going to put this into the cake tin. We've divided it into 2 equal halves. So you're just going to put one side with pink, one side blue, or whatever colors you've chosen. And we're not even going to preheat the oven for this cake. We're just going to pat it down like this and just put it into an oven and then turn it on to 170 degrees Celsius. And we're going to bake it for only 12 minutes. After that, the cake will look like this. Let it cool down completely. Then you're going to demold it and take off the top and the sides and then just cut them up into 4 equal halves like this. Now don't discard the cake that you've cut off. You're just going to crumble it up and keep it aside. You'll see why at the end of the video. So now you're going to place the pink on top of the green and the green on top of the pink. So you should get it like this. And now we're going to put the butter frosting or butter icing. Watch the video till the end because I've shown you the recipe for this icing as well. So now you're just going to use this offset spatula and you're going to put the butter icing like this in the center and glue the 2 pieces together. Then you're going to put some of the icing on top. Just level it out till it's nice and smooth. And then you're going to put the other 2 pieces. So again, the pink on top of the green and the other way. And then you're just going to cover the cake with this remaining icing and then just smoothen out the edges. So you're going to put 2 layers of icing. So when you finish with the first layer, you're going to refrigerate it for about 15 minutes and then put the second and final layer. And then, like I said, we just crumbled up whatever cake we had taken off of the sides, and you're just going to put that on the edges like this. You can decorate it as you want or as you like, and then just smoothen it out. And then I just put the the blue on the top like this, and then I just decorated it with some mistletoe. And this cake has to be refrigerated because of the butter frosting. And now I'm just going to cut the cake up and show you how it looks on the inside once it's cut. It looks like a Battenberg cake, but Battenberg has a marzipan on the outside. So I've just used icing. I have posted a cake with the marzipan, so I'll leave a link to that below. And now I'm going to show you how I make my butter frosting, buttercream icing. So here I have 125 grams of butter. I'm going to whisk the butter for 5 whole minutes. That's very important. Now you'll see that the butter turns into a whitish color after 5 minutes. And to that I'm going to add 250 grams, that is double the quantity of the butter, 250 grams of powdered sugar, a little at a time, and you're going to continue whisking this till all of the sugar gets nicely incorporated with the butter. So this also should take you another 5 minutes. I actually put a timer on my watch and on my phone, and then kept it for 5 minutes. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 teaspoons of milk, and again continue whisking it till it becomes really very, very light and smooth. And then you'll see that once it's all ready, you'll see how nice and light the buttercream icing or frosting is. And that's the recipe for the frosting. So I hope you liked today's recipe, guys. Thank you for watching. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.